Hey guys, Luke here. In today's short video, we're taking a look at the brand new M2 Mac Mini. So the model I picked up is the middle of the range one. So I didn't go for the base model one, and I didn't go for the M2 Pro. I decided to get the one basically that has the 10 core GPU, and it also comes with the 512 SSD. So we're going to unbox it, see what we get, and then talk about who this machine would be a good fit for. So it comes in a really fancy cardboard box, and like everything that's Apple, it is well packaged. So let's pull that out and have a little look. Okay, so there's our box. All right, so you can see I've got the Mac Mini on the side there. Now on the back, we have these green tabs, which you basically pull across to unbox it, so we'll do that now. Now, if you've watched any other videos, I found it really interesting that they didn't really change the design all that much. Basically, we do have Thunderbolt 4 on the back, but look and feel is exactly the same as all previous models. So you can see it's exactly the same dimensions, and we do get this really nice black protective tape. So we'll pull that off and have a look quickly at the back of the machine. So I'll pop that there. All right, so we can see on the back we have the power, we have Ethernet, we have two Thunderbolt 4, we still have HDMI, which is really good, and then we have two of the older USB Type A, and we have a headphone and digital audio out. On the bottom, this is basically where we can access the internals of the machine. So if you wanted to get in and have a look at the PCB or the motherboard or the fan, you can access this by twisting it to get into the machine itself. But as you can see, not a lot has changed in the Mac Mini form factor for a few years now. We do have a single LED on the front that just indicates when the machine is turned on, but everything else is the same. It's still the same aluminum or aluminium, depending on where you're from. It's still the same material as any other Mac, and feels really good. It's a nice weight. The thing I really like about Mac Minis is they are a very small form factor, meaning if you have limited space, if you're a student, if you want to pop this in a cupboard or a server rack, it's going to be really nice and neat and not really use quite that much power. They're fairly low watt, which is actually really good for a server. So, you know, if you've got any needs for a new server or video editing or anything like that, this is going to be a great machine for you to pick up. So we'll pop that aside. We'll see what else we get in the box. Okay, so we get the standard Apple instructions that we tend to get with all new products. And we'll see if we've got any stickers in there. Okay, no stickers in. Oh no, we do. We get a single Apple sticker, which looks really nice. It's just a silver color. And then the bottom of the box, we just get the standard power cable, which is not that exciting. And that's basically everything inside the box. All right guys, so who is this machine really for? Well, personally, I think if you're a Mac enthusiast and you want something that's very affordable, but very, very powerful, will do anything that you can throw at it. Basically, you know, if you're doing video editing, you want to do some light gaming, if you do a lot with like, you know, massive data files, or if you're into programming or something like that, this is going to be a really great machine. The M1 machines were fantastic. I still use an M1 MacBook Pro. It is an incredible machine, but this has far more horsepower, and it does have a lot more GPU grunt. Now, there are lots of comparison videos online where the Mac Mini, you know, kind of wipes the floor with everything else in this price range. But I think for a lot of people, you know, students especially, or anyone that's kind of on a budget and already has their own keyboard and mouse and monitor, and they just want to really kind of upgrade and have something that's going to last them for the next sort of 5 or 6 years, the Mac Mini really represents fantastic value. Now guys, it is worth noting that the base model of the M2 Mac Mini only comes with 256 gigs of storage. It is slightly slower, the SSD is a little bit slower. For students, you probably won't ever notice that, but if you want something that is going to have slightly improved transfer speeds and can edit things a bit quicker and open programs a bit quicker, I do suggest that you check out the 512 version of the Mac Mini M2. So that's everything in the box, guys. I'm looking forward to setting this up, and this is going to be my video editing machine. So any of the content that you see on this Amazon channel here will be done with the M2 Mac Mini. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.